everybody knows.
I'm Jamie Sherrill, but people call me Nurse Jamie.
I'm the it girl. I'm the it girl.
I am the Beverly Hills beauty guru.
Guys, look who I'm here with.
Here with Nurse Jamie.
There she is.
Jamie, this is your next client, Sylvia.
Hi, nice to meet you. I've been dying to meet you for
so nice to meet you.
I decided I wanted to have a little bit of a lift this up and fix it, but then afterwards, like 6 months later, I started to develop like this droop on this side.
Like a little too much product, you feel like on
Yeah.
that side?
Yeah.
That's what I feel like too.
You know, like tightening the skin and
Oh my goodness, okay, yes. Because I think your face is a little out of balance. Even though you've had a fat transfer there, I feel like your temples are a little hollow and I need it to kind of lift this part of your cheek. Your skin is like a fabric that drapes over the structure and I think we need to do a little restructuring here.
Okay.
So some of your tattooing on your brow, it seems like it's kind of bled together.
okay.
This mental line is just way too harsh on you. Again, this is where we were talking about taking some of this down.
Oh, I'm so excited about this.
This is a conductive lotion.
Okay.
And this is radio frequency. It causes your collagen fibers to thicken, the overlying skin adheres firmer. It's also gonna help me take down some of the inflammation. This helps to kill active bacteria that might happen from any of your rosacea stuff too. It's very healing, helps to remove inflammation. Here goes the first little one, tiny little poke. You see how I'm starting to soften this out?
it's looking great already.
Because we're adding balance, I wanted to be able to take it away fairly easily if we don't like the way it lands. I don't know why they haven't been filling your chin. It's just like the base of a house. They had no foundation. You have to have the foundation to support, like they put in something heavy here, so they've got nothing to support it. I'm starting to soften.
Wow.
Yeah, it's coming together.
It's amazing.
I'm gonna try to soften your ear a little bit. I'm going to do some of the Dissolve Now that we talked about.
Oh, okay.
It's hyaluronidase, which is the antidote to hyaluronic acid.
Would this be like to take care of the redness of the rosacea?
Yeah, this is a non-ablative laser resurfacing. This is called the Clear Lift, so it helps with pigmentation. It makes that puncture under the skin. Your body thinks it's been injured, it sends new collagen. It's a permanent improvement. Obviously, it wouldn't be a permanent improvement on the rosacea. Done for today. I am not done, but I am done for today.
From this session, there's been
Softer.
vast improvement. She was very gentle. She did some injections of Botox and filler, and for the first time I didn't bruise. That was huge. What I take away from this experience is that you have to do everything gradually, because if you do it too radically and in one chunk, it's too noticeable. So you just have to ease into it. It was a positive, fantastic experience. Thank you.